And now it's time to do my eyes. So time to transform my eyes. So I'm gonna be using this my favorite makeup kit, and this is the ADS makeup kit that I bought on TikTok. So ang nagustuhan ko dito ay mayroon siyang 24 colors eyeshadow. Yan, 4 lipstick. Yan, blush on, 3 blush ons, and 2 foundations or powder. So yan, at ito yung mga kasama. May something, may sponge for the powder, and ito, mga applicators. So, unahin natin ang eyeshadow. So, eyeshadow, and I'll be using the brand, applicator, this brush. So, hindi pa ako expert in using the brush kung saan gagamitin eh. So, of course, the usual thing. So, my usual makeup is, brown lang tayo, brown. So, and the whitest, and a little bit darker. So, this one. Ito lang naman yung usual shade ko eh, pag eyeshadow. Just like putting on a little bit of light into my eyes. So, and I'll be choosing this color so that I think, yan to. So, and I'll be choosing this one. So, the medium brown, kasi ito yung darkest. So, the medium brown. Tapos, ilalagay ko sa side na to. Dahan-dahan. Parang hindi halata, no? So, ganun lang. Para lang may something shimmering sa eyes ko. So, ngayon ay ulitin yung process sa kabila. And, ito. Yun na. Parang wala lang. So, hindi ko na masyadong tinakpan yung birthmark ko kasi yan naman dapat i-hide eh. Isa yan sa mga naging lucky charm ko sa buhay. Yan. At lalagyan na lang pala natin yung nose ko. So, mag-nose line tayo. So, same. Itong medium brown. Hala kayo dyan ha. Ewan ko lang. Magagawa natin ng tama. Hala na kayong humusga kung judge kayo. Ewan na yan. So, actually, ganun ko siya ginagawa. And then, whoosh. Kita pa. Oh. Charot. At saka, ganyan. So, hindi na masyadong magiging halata. So, and, lalagyan ko ng white dito. Yung shimmering o yung medyo yung white or yung this na yung parang skin tone na